Hi everyone, Karen again, and in this video I make a unicorn, my very first one. And here's how I did it. There's a show at the gallery with a fantasy theme, so I already made these three, Monstera, Floppy Bunny, and Fabio. But I wanted to make one more piece, a unicorn. The inspiration was this unicorn Kim from Pal Tiya made. I love the pose very much. I started with a cone and began to sculpt it with aluminum foil and hot glue. Then it was time to cover it in Pal Tiya. It's very easy to apply. My 5-year-old granddaughter even helped. After a week under wet towels to slowly cure, my unicorn was ready. The mosaic treatment could begin. My unicorn was finished and ready for grout. I used a dark grout on the hooves and white grout elsewhere. Here he is. What else can I say but that I really love how he turned out, and I hope he finds a new home. Meanwhile, thank you so much for watching. Bye!